Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Kelly. If you just watched my last video, I'll try to remember to post that one first, my Shein haul. I had some what I think is, what is it called? Monochromatic lip gloss, but it may have been nail polish. I wasn't sure, so I just used it. But I do think it's a lip gloss, so if my lips look a little strange, that's what it is. But I am opening up my Eyescream Beauty box.
With a cherry on top.
With a cherry on top. Nicole wants to mention that, see? So, I'm going to show you what's in this box. Now, I'm late opening this because everybody else already opened it. And we all get the same thing. All of us. So if you've seen one, you've seen them all. So if you are watching my video of me opening this, thank you very much, because yeah, you know, when you get boxes like Ipsy or BoxyCharm, they're pretty much all different. So watching an unboxer unbox theirs late is not quite such a big deal, because you know, it's always different. But this is always the same. Are we ready to show you what you've probably already seen? All right, so this is the December box. Just says Happy Holidays, and it tells you the prices of everything right there. So we're gonna start with this. I was so hoping I was gonna get a different color. This is the base blue right here. I have an awful big reflection going on my ring light, and I'm not sure why. Base blue, this is lipstick. They say this is $21. I'm not too sure I like the color, so I'm not gonna open this up. So this may go in a future giveaway, just like this, with the cellophane still wrapped around it. Because you know, when I have so many lip colors, and probably like a lot of people, I know it's not just me, but in my state of Illinois, we still have to wear masks everywhere we go. And so I have so many lip products, and they're just like sitting there. The only time I ever wear lip products is when I'm filming, or when I'm going across the bridge to Ohio. No, Toledo, Ohio. Iowa. Davenport, Iowa. I live very close. I'm getting my states all mixed up, you guys. Okay, I have a master's degree. I do. I have my MBA that I worked so hard to get, and I can't even remember where I live. Okay. But over in Iowa, they do not have a masking law. So you can go over there and go shopping and don't have to wear a mask. But here in Illinois, you do. And I have so many lip colors that are just sitting around. So I don't think I'm even going to bother opening that one. And then I've got this palette here. It says Peppermint Mocha. And they say this is, where is it? There goes the box. Okay, so this is a Peppermint Mocha palette, and they say this is $29. Right here. Get out of the packaging, if I can. Be patient with me. All right, and here are the colors. So I think some of the colors are very pretty. I really do. So I'm happy with this palette. So I saw Opinionated Horsewoman open this box already, so because I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to see what I was getting. Now I feel like I should not have watched it because it's not a surprise. Bummer. I want it all to be a surprise. Okay, this is a, where is this on here? A Bella Pierre glowing palette. They say this is $50. And if you have been to Bella Pierre's website, like I have, I believe this is $50. I was looking at a palette there, and I mean, it was like close to $50, I think. And it was just small. And I'm like, are you kidding me? And I was so tempted to buy it. I just can't justify buying a palette. I have so many. But yeah, if you go straight to their website, their prices are just outrageous. But I guess their products are really good. So let me go ahead and show you. Here it is. It's raised up. So very pretty. And the colors are beautiful. I think the colors are very good for my complexion. Gosh, the glare. What am I doing wrong, you guys, with my lighting? For those of you that are creators, I don't understand. When I turn down the lighting, you can't really see very well. And when I turn up the lighting, I just have this glare. So I'm doing something wrong. For a long time, my ring light was broken. I didn't even have a ring light. So all my videos before, if you've watched me in the past, are very dark. And I got a ring light, and now they're all super bright. I don't know. There's got to be a somewhere in between. All right. Then I got this. Oh, Brooklyn. Yes, I got this Brooklyn, my puppy that wants to get into everything. She's really no longer a puppy. I don't know. How long are they puppies? She just turned 1. So I still think she's my puppy. So I got these. They're base blue Snowflake Wedge blenders. They say these are $11. I've never used a beauty blender, I don't think. I've used those, you know, those sponges that, you know, you do this to your under eyes to get, you know, put the under eye concealer and then you pat it in. I don't know. Is that what this is? I'm not even really too sure. But anyway, they're cute. Brooklyn, no, stop. S-T-O-P. Maybe if I spell it, she'll get it. All right. Then I got, this is the last item here. And this is a So Susan product. And it is a Spectra Primer. They say this is $26. And for those of you that watch me, I do have a So Susan subscription box that I get every month. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love So Susan products. So they do have a beauty box of their own, and that link is in my description box. I do not think that it is a referral link. I think it's just a link to their site. You guys can check it out if you want to see how much it costs and everything, because I don't remember, but I do remember I had a real good deal on it. So here is the So Susan. This is skin. I was like, oh, because Brooklyn stole the box. So here it is right here. It's a primer. I will be keeping this. So Susan products, again, are really good. I love them. And for this Eyescream Beauty, I don't think I have a referral code or link, but I do have the link to Eyescream Beauty in my description box. If memory serves, this is a $25 a month box. I also get the Eyescream Beauty bag, which is smaller, and it usually comes with a palette every time, just like this one, and a couple cosmetic products or skincare. I haven't gotten my bag yet, and I keep looking and looking to see if I can find some spoilers. I don't know why I do that. I want to be surprised. Anyway, everyone, please give this video a thumbs up. Look at Brooklyn. What are you doing? And if you can, if you have time, please comment down below. And what else? I'm getting all like disoriented here because of this little guy. What did I miss? Nicole, you know, oh, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it, everyone. And have a great day. And thank you for watching this whole video. If you did, in fact, put a little heart. If you know, a little heart emoji if you watch the whole thing, because I'm curious to see how many people actually made it to the end. All right. Thank you very much. Everyone have a great day. Bye.